Hey guys, welcome back to our Talking Niche. Today we'll be looking at a new limited edition unboxing of, this has a very long title, Banished from the Hero's Party. I decided to live a quiet life in the countryside. This is a slice of life comedy type of anime, very chill, very calm. I look forward to checking this out. I have not seen it yet, so I have no idea, but I saw that it has a limited edition unboxing and it looked pretty good and funny, so let's see what it comes with. Here, a nice little slip paper here with the context of what is included in the limited edition. See, we get a fabric poster, chibi sticker sheet, 64-page art book, and 6 art cards. Plus, the Blu-ray and DVD. Here we have is the front. And on the spine of the case cover, the clipboard box, the back, and on the top, and on the bottom, and then on the side we can pull out the Blu-ray first. Now let's look at the Blu-ray. We have a slipcover for this. This is the front, the side, and on the back. See, different artwork. That's always good. I like it when they have a different artwork on the cover. We have is the front, side, and on the back. We have a reversible cover art. Because this has like a different image than the slipcover, I'm not going to swap it. I'll leave this just as it is, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. We have Blu-ray disc 1, Blu-ray disc 2, DVD disc 1, and DVD disc 2. It's impressive that they managed to fit all the episodes on the DVDs. This is probably very highly compressed in order to fit all those episodes in just 2 DVD discs. Okay, then the inside, you have this. So there we go, that's the Blu-ray and DVD. Now in the limited edition, we also get the art book. Here we go, and then the other stuff is right here on this separate box. The inside, this is the front, the back of this box. Usually these boxes are pretty plain, but this is pretty cool. It's simple, has some characters, illustrations on there. Nice. Okay, so we open this up here. Inside we have the art cards, fabric poster, and the sticker sheet. So we have a 6 chibi sticker sheet. Now we'll look at the art cards. Here's the first one. The second. The third. The fourth. The fifth. And last, the 6th art card that we receive. This is on the back of all the cards. Now we have a fabric poster. One of the shiny ones. It's small. There we go. It's like the same image as you saw on one of those art cards that we just got. It's pretty small. We have this paperback booklet art book, 64 pages. Here's the front, the side, and on the back. Let's quickly go through this art book just to get a good overview. We have characters, character bios and stuff like that. There we go. Pages are all stick together, but there we go. So do let me know what you guys think of this limited edition. Is it cool? Do you guys think of getting this too? Great art, by the way. Definitely like the style. Art books are usually pretty cool to collect, especially when there's a lot of information on the characters and stuff like that. Concept arts. Yeah, like a little short comic. Actually, it's pretty long. Actually, it's pretty much the rest of the book. Is this like the example of the manga, or is this just like his original short little story here? I didn't even pay attention to what this was, but you pretty much get that. I don't want to spoil myself in case it is or not, so I won't look into it anymore because I haven't seen this anime and I do plan on watching it soon and enjoying it. So there you guys have it. Banished from the Hero's Party. I decided to live a quiet life in the countryside. Limited edition. Blu-ray DVD. 64-page art booklet. 6 art cards. Printed on premium cards. It's a really good thick paper that they use. And then you have 6 chibi stickers. And a collector's clipboard box to store it all. Oh, and then the second box too, for the extra stuff. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, do let me know. Other than that, I'm glad you enjoyed. And if you're new, feel free to subscribe to the channel for more unboxings and stuff like that. I do plan on doing more different types of content on this. Maybe I'll stream and we can, chill, talk about figures and animes and stuff like that. But anyways, see you all next time, guys. This has been A Talking Itch.